What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna veganize Singapore mei fang. When I was a little boy, I remember running to that Chinese store just to get some Chinese food, and one of my favorites was Singapore mei fang. And today, guys, we're gonna create that. We're gonna be using this, guys. Before we use this, we're gonna make the eggs, which is gonna be using just eggs, and we're also gonna be using shrimps. I am so excited because this is a special treat that I did for you guys today. I purchased this new shrimp and I never tried it yet, so I'm gonna try it today for the first time with you guys, and all the information will be in the description below. Don't forget, hit that like button, smash on that bell, and subscribe, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so to make this Singapore mei fang, you're gonna have to boil some water, add some spices to it, and just let it set to the side. Put this in for about a minute and then remove it immediately, guys, because you don't want it to burn and get all sticky. All right, so we're gonna put some olive oil in the wok, add some onions, add a little bit of black salt and some curry powder. So we're just cooking down the green onions and the onions so it can get nice and tasty, guys. Add your ginger and your garlic, guys. Don't forget, the recipe will be in the description below, or it could be found at vegankingsworld.com, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, add about 2 cups of your just eggs and just let it cook. All right, guys, so you want to grab your Singapore mei fang and get a little pot. All right, guys, so I'm letting the Singapore mei fang sit for about a minute, and now I'm gonna pour in broccoli and peas, guys. So I'm gonna just put it into the top. All right, family, so now it's finally ready. Sit this in boiling hot water for about a minute, guys. We got the Singapore, some peas, and some broccoli. Now what you gotta do is just pour the hot water right back in there while it's in the strainer, guys. Grab some sesame oil or some olive oil and throw it in the pot. As you can see, I have the eggs on one side, and now I'm gonna throw in the shrimps. Some black pepper to activate that curry and turmeric, guys. All right, guys, it looks so amazing, guys. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. It's delicious. All right, guys, so continue to cook your shrimps, guys. I'm gonna add the remaining onions that I had left over. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Check out the shrimps, guys. This is all vegan. All right, guys, now it's time to plate. Check this out. Singapore shrimp mei fang, guys. It smells amazing. Don't forget, hit that like button, smash on that bell, and subscribe. Let's go. All right, guys, it's finally ready. Singapore shrimp mei fang, guys. This is the first time I'm trying this, guys. So let's see how it tastes. Man, that's good. Let's go in for the shrimp. Oh! Wow, that tastes like shrimp. If you guys are looking to purchase this item, guys, it will be in the description below. And don't forget, hit that like button, guys, and subscribe. Wow, this is so good. I have to go in for another bite. Let me grab some of this egg. Let me go in with one of the shrimps. Yeah. Wow. If you like what you see, guys, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe. See y'all next week. Peace.